Everybody, Brian Hoops here with me. This is our internet video series. It's Sunday night, November the 30th, and we're going to bring you our latest version of the internet video series. And before we do, we want to talk about our risk of loss in trading futures and options is substantial, and each investor or trader must consider whether this is a suitable investment. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by simulated results, is not indicative of future trading results. Trading advice is based on information we believe are reliable. We, of course, do not guarantee our information is accurate or complete, and it should not be relied upon as such. Trading advice reflects our judgment at a specific time and is subject to change without notice. There's no guarantee the advice we give will result in profitable trades. Plus, this is copyright by 2014 Midwest Market Solutions. All right, let's look at some charts here. We're going to look at our corn chart. And you can see by our yellow or gold line in here, this is a trend indication of the market. So we're in a downtrending market in corn. And now, since early part of October, we want to take buy signals. So we're looking at uptrending market here. We took some buy signals off of this high around 385 and this high around 385. We put stops in below Friday's lows, or excuse me, Thursday's lows, which were 386.5, and we got stopped out for basically a break-even trade going in here. Now you could, if you wanted to be a little bit more, risk a little bit more, you could put stops in below this cluster of lows as some support. And again, here is a big cluster of lows around 375. And I think until these are broken, you want to look for buy signals. So you're going to look for another day or two of a setback in a market, and we'll look for, again, for buy signals to take us into the early part of December. So if we get some follow through on the downside after this bearish reversal, we'll look for another buy signal to try and get long, and using stops somewhere in this area. Another market to keep an eye on is, of course, soybean meal. But look at this reversal bar that we had on Friday. We're going to have to heal up from that a little bit. Let the market pull back. And of course, we're in an uptrending market in here, and as long as we stay above 355 area, we're going to stay in an uptrend market. If we look at soybeans, another market that we're looking to get long in, again, as long as we stay above the 1010 area, we'll look for buying opportunities in this market. If we look at wheat, of course, wheat's one of the strongest technical markets in here, breaking out to the upside on a Friday's close. And you look at the seasonal strength in here coming November the 18th, around the 24th, some kind of a low, and sharp seasonal rise. We followed that pattern pretty closely so far this year. Now for the week ahead, we're not recommending anything in the wheat. We don't want to short this market after breakout to these highs. We'll look again for the market to pull back and see additional buying opportunities. Now here's a market that we're going to watch for as well. Now look at the cattle market. Market clearly is in an uptrend in here. Seasonals are turning lower from about this 25th into the early part of December. This is about the December 3rd time frame, and then seasonals should flatten out and maybe even turn higher. We're going to look for some buying opportunities off of this support down in this area at some point. One market that we are recommending on Monday to trade in is the E-mini S&P. Again, here's an uptrending market. Look at the seasonal pattern calling for a low in October and trend higher into December. And we had the bottom here in October, trending higher into December. We've got a little bit of a pullback on Friday's trade. Creates a buying opportunity if we take out Friday's highs. Of course, if we don't get long. We'll just let the market pull back, and we can pull back all the way to 2039, still being an uptrend, and look for buying opportunities in this area. So we're going to look on Monday to buy if we take out Friday's highs, 2073.25. That's the high. If we take that out, we'll get long. Stops below Friday's lows, 2063.50. That'll be our stop point, and if we don't get filled, we'll look for additional buys throughout the week. All right, that's what we've got for this evening. Have a great trading week ahead. Good luck, and we will talk to you very soon.